In this video, I will show you how you can add the dual clock widget to the lock screen of your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, first of all, just go to your home screen and open the notifications panel. In the notifications panel, just tap and hold on the empty space. Now once you enter into the edit section, now just tap on customize, and from here just tap on add widgets. Now in the widgets section, just swipe up and tap on clock. Now in the clock widgets, just swipe to the left side. From here, just tap on City Digital and add this widget to the lock screen. And just tap on it twice to add 2 clocks to the lock screen. Now just tap on anywhere on the screen. Now just tap on one of the clocks. Now just tap on it one more time. And from this region section, just select the region of your first clock. For example, I will select this region. Now after you select this region, it will show the time of the selected region. Now to set a different region for the second clock, just tap on it, and from here just select a different region. For example, I'll select this region. Now once you have selected the regions for your dual clock, now just tap on anywhere on the screen and select done. Now just tap on your lock screen wallpaper, then just swipe up to go to the home screen. Now if you go to the lock screen of your iPhone, you will find the dual clock which we have added to the lock screen, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.